Are you looking for the best Steam Floor Mop Buckets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Steam Floor Mop Buckets that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mopnado Deluxe Spin Mop. Mopnado Deluxe Spin Mop has a 56-inch long handle, so you do not need to buy extensions or other accessories. It features patented mop plates that make rinsing the mop head easier and quicker. Moreover, you do not need to spend as much energy to get the mop head to spin. The fact that the Deluxe Compact Microfiber Spin Mop is easy to store means it does not take up too much space. The Mopnado Deluxe Spin Mop is ideal for RVs, apartments, boats, condominiums or other small spaces. Moving on at number 4, we have the Twist and Shout Mop. The Twist and Shout Mop is the latest edition of Twist and Shout Mop with 50% stronger handle. It is a self-wringing mop, which easily spins dry with a gentle push on the handle. It ensures your hands stay dry while cleaning, and prevents you from frequent, uncomfortable bends. The 54-inch handle ensures this Steam Floor Mop Bucket cuts cleaning in half. Twist and Shout Mop also has a super absorbent microfiber mop head that cleans 3 times better than cotton and dries the floor instantly. At number 3, we have the O-Cedar Ultra Max Mop and Bucket Kit. The O-Cedar Ultra Max Mop and Bucket Kit has a large cleaning head, implying it covers a large surface area, and this makes cleaning effortless and fast. The head folds in the middle with just a step on the black button, on top of the head. The long handle ensures you do not touch water, and the cloth head scrubs and cleans tough stains quickly and easily. Unlike sponge mops, the O-Cedar Ultra Max Mop and Bucket Kit cleans up the mess. It does not just smear them. At number 2, we have the O-Cedar Spin Mop and Bucket System. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System gives you an excellent opportunity to enjoy efficient and effective cleaning experience with little mess and minimal labor. It is perfect for all hard floors and requires no wetting of hands or bending down. The triangular mop head allows for cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. The O-Cedar Spin Mop and Bucket System provides easier wringing, dries floors quickly, and gives you the ability to control the amount of water applied to the floor. And finally at number 1, we have the Mopnado Rolling Spin Mop. Featuring retracting handles and wheels, the Mopnado Rolling Spin Mop will save your back from various complications. It is built to last and designed for those who are tired of buying poorly made mops, which eventually are thrown away. The heavy-duty stainless steel handle has optional extension and height adjust for optimum performance. The handle, however, does not have pedals that break. The Mopnado Rolling Spin Mop features a new scrubber brush attachment and 2 machine washable microfiber head mops that lasts for 6 to 8 months. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.